love your home and your view. Don't complicate it with fussy window treatments just to block out the sun. Taming the sun's heat and glare while helping to protect furnishings from sun exposure is simple with Hüper Optik window film, the smarter choice for your residential solar control needs.
Hüper Optik has been around for about 20 years. We were the very first patented ceramic technology on the market, so we are industry leaders in that aspect. We set the bar when it comes to performance and quality in one product that gives our customers at the end of the day a product that they know they can trust and rely on to last. Fading is a big factor to consider when you're looking at your home decor and furnishings in your home. Textiles like wood, fabrics, leather, they will all change color as they're exposed to UV light. By blocking the UV coming through your windows, it will slow down the rate of fade on those textiles.
A professional and knowledgeable installer is essential to the performance of your window films.
The advantages of having certified installers means you're dealing with a company or an installer who knows what they're doing. Professional is key. People who stand behind their work, as well as a manufacturer who stands behind a product. Getting a professional product and a professional installer means you are getting the best that that industry has to offer. And that is kind of what we need to make sure we can do with the customers. Kind of one, put them at ease, make sure they understand that there are different products out there, higher grades. Stressing what they're trying to accomplish. Is it the heat? Is it the glare? Is it the fade of their new floors or their new paintings or furniture that they just purchased? So when we walk into the homes, most of the times the customers are, the biggest concern is they're afraid the films are going to be dark or shiny. And based on the different technologies that have been available to the window film industry for the last 15 to 20 years, the technology has changed tremendously. Homes have gotten bigger, more spacious. People have really nice furniture with great views, and that is one thing we try to make sure and maintain is that we keep a view, but we reduce the energy consumption coming into the home, or we're able to make the room much more calm to where they can use it for entertaining their family or their friends.
Not all window films are created equal. When you want to have comfort and UV protection paired with high performance for your home, the choice is clear.
The technology that we use in our products has no metal and it has no dye. No metal means that you don't have that reflective look to the outside of your home. No dye means there's no color aspect to the film that can break down and change color. The film will look the same 20 years from now as it does the day that it's put on.
Hüper Optik window films are a much more affordable option for your existing windows than, say, going out and buying new windows for your home. One, the difference in the cost is going to be astronomical to new windows versus the cost of the new window film. And you're going to get more benefits from the film when it comes to energy savings out of those existing windows. So if you like the look and didn't want to change something, we are still going to be able to allow you to keep that same look, but give you the performance when it comes to the heat, the fade, and the glare rejection that these products can offer on a day-to-day basis.
Innovative technology can help you decrease UV damage to your home's interior while providing protection for you and your family.
We just made very large purchases of furnishings that we're very excited about, and we wanted to make sure they weren't going to fade or age prematurely. The aesthetics were a huge part of our decision because we did not want to block the view, and we wanted to have a natural view to the outside of our home, and as well as from the outside into our home, and still wanted the protection for the furnishings and the textiles. We're very happy with the product.
And the work ultimately speaks for itself.
9 out of every 10 of the customers when we leave the house typically say, I should have done this 4 years ago. The cost difference alone that they're seeing on the energy side and what they're saving on not having to replace the glass speaks dividends for them. So it's a great change of pace for our customers to save money, not only when it comes to not changing out the glass, but also on their energy bills.
To find out more about Hüper Optik USA, visit HüperOptikUSA.com and designingspaces.tv.